Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this textured scarf, and it's just a 2-row repeat, and it's very easy, and it's a great scarf for men or women. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes a bonus in between. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free. Or on Etsy, HectaFavorites is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. You can chain as many stitches as you would like. I chained 27. For a chain stitch, you simply pick up the yarn and pull it through the loop. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Double crochet. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Go ahead and work 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way across the foundation chain. And that is a row of double crochet. At the end of the row, you're going to chain 2 and turn. You're going to make a front post double crochet in the next stitch. So yarn around the hook, insert under the post from the front, and then complete the double crochet. In the next stitch, make a double crochet, just a regular double crochet. In the next stitch, make a front post double crochet. Double crochet in the next stitch. You're going to repeat that across the row. Front post double crochet and a double crochet. Front post, and a regular double. You're going to do that all the way across the row. And this is my turning chain, and I'm going to do a front post on that stitch. For the next row, chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. So just a regular double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across. Okay, I worked all the way across, making a double crochet in each stitch. Chain 2 and turn. Now we're going to repeat this row. So that's front post double crochet and a regular double crochet. Front post double crochet and a regular. So you're just going to repeat those 2 rows until the scarf is the length that you would like it to be. So that's it. That's all you need to know. Here's 2 rows and 2 more rows. So you're going to repeat those 2 rows over and over until your scarf is the length that you would like it to be. And that's how easy it is to crochet this textured scarf. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.